It's looking pretty good there.
Yeah. Bit of bog. Bit more rope tape will be right.
Alright, Nick, what are you doing?
Just for fitting this piece of roof that was salvaged from a van out in the bush
Awesome.
by Dave Good. So was originally just going to be for to replace the sunroof hole, but now we'll use it where we can, I guess.
Yep.
See what we can salvage out of it to fit onto Rewind.
Okay, cool. Cool. It's looking good so far. Sitting nice.
Yeah, it's a horrible piece of metal, but apparently the van that it was on was up to halfway up the windows with water, so you'd be like in a river or something.
Wow, okay. Well, so what's the next step with this that the guys got to do? Just cut it and...
we're going to get all this pulling equipment out and cut that fucking plate back out and clean it up.
Yeah.
I want to get the stretch sections as close to fucking flat as I can.
Yeah.
And then we're going to take it over there and chuck it in the carport over there and wet blast it and prime it.
Awesome.
All this will have to come out. All this fucking...
Yeah, I'll get that today.
Yeah, all your board and shit, everything. You can basically get it all out because we're going to have to get in here and wet blast and once it dries, give it a coat of fucking 408, I think it is. 408 I've got.
Yeah.
Yep.
Polyester, give it a coat of that. I'm not overly fussed if we get primer over where I need to weld, or because I can always grind it back.
Yeah, it's right, right.
But I want to actually pull up the fucking rust. We don't need to worry about doing the dash or anything or that.
Well, that's all coming out.
So all that'll be coming out. So.
Yeah.
And then once that's done, we drag it back over here, probably just here in front of the door, slide under and undo all the body mounts and lift the body off.
Yeah, I want to do the chassis first. Or the firewall first.
No, you can take that off and we can set up on the fucking rotisserie.
Alright.
We need to do some measuring anyway for
yeah, make sure it's all going to happen.
Mm.
That door can come back off again, I suppose.
Yeah.
Take that back off. All that shit's got to come out. Pulling shit.
Yeah.
Whatnot.
Let's go.
Right. Well, you can play with all that sort of shit. I've got to chuck some gas into Roger's aircon for me.
Yeah.
Take me 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Awesome.
a bit of pressure that one.
I think so. Fucking
You
rich.
pushed too fucking hard, mate. They're only 1mm discs.
No?
You just blew the disc up, didn't you?
No?
Yes, you fucking did.
No, I didn't.
Yeah.
That popped out.
You sound like you're cranking the crap out of the poor little disc. You'll shatter the damn thing and go off in your face.
Righto. That's what didn't work. Don't need it. Don't need it.
Give it a bend, it keeps coming out.
So this is going to show you this fantastic wiring.
You take
Isn't it?
some.
Oh yeah.
Hey?
Look at that. Look at this. Oh shit.
Yeah, then put the board over the top and hope you don't squash it.
Well, that's why we had no fucking brake lights.
One thing running in the groove.
Oh crap. Look at that.
Not even
I've
any,
never seen that one before.
not even any protective sheet or anything.
You can get away with that if you know you're putting a board over it, but not when it goes over the top of things.
Yeah.
Yeah. All it takes is a slight. No wonder it's bloody always short now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Slight fraying in the wire and the bloody earth's on the bloody body. This will look like it hurts.
Got a 3-fleet.
Well, that's why.
Look at this.
Treacle wire or something fucking in it.
It's a fucking joint.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like, oh, it's not fucking quite long enough. I bet you went like that. Oh, it's not quite long enough.
They couldn't get it through here. Like they replaced this section
Yeah.
and they couldn't run it back through again.
I don't know how far you can run wires.
No, clearly not.
Same thing, there's an awful lot of real estate over the top usually. Somehow how long the wire is.
Yeah, it's the same job.
As long as it's safe.
This one will blink faster because it's got a downhill run.
Oh yeah, it's probably waiting there.
Don't cut the car, cut the plate.
Yeah.
Did you want to take the fan home with you, Rog?
Oh, can do if you're done with it, yeah.
Well, I'm not doing any more painting here with it.
Yeah.
Oh, I will, but we'll have to do the fan.
Yeah.
Don't use a spray gun?
Yeah, no, use the fan.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I just stand,
Right.
turn on flat out, yeah. Just tip the paint behind it.
Nice.
Yeah.
You have anything
Pretty
you
cool,
want,
eh?
anything
Then
you want.
I run around the other side and grab the panel and go,
Yeah. You get that swirl effect.
just go and leave it.